The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Montgomery County, southeastern Miami County, Greene County, southwestern Clark County until 11:15 a.m. At 10:30 a.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Union to Drexel to Germantown, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, penny-sized hail, frequent cloud to ground lightning, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include Miamisburg, West Carrollton, Vandalia, downtown Dayton, Kettering, Huber Heights, Beaver Creek, Wright, Patterson, Air Force Base, Fairborn, Xenia, Yellow Springs, Cedarville. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 between mile markers 27 and 61, Interstate 75 between mile markers 42 and 65. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your reports via social media when you can do so safely.
Chance of rain 60%. Thursday, mostly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms. Now for the